working conditions were poor. Women worked for less than $10 a week, often from 5 a.m. until late at night when they returned to the tenement slums.
It was not uncommon for workers to be locked in at the beginning of each day, to keep them from stealing time in restroom breaks, and to keep union organizers out.
Inside a sweltering, poorly ventilated, three-room tenement apartment, the air never seemed to stir. Sweltering, 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 sweltering. Stifling, stifling, stifling. On November 22nd, 1909, Local 25 convened a strike. And so the uprising of the 20,000 began. They took to the streets, those fighting for the rights of the garment workers, those who profited from the sweat of the workers, those whose job it was to keep the peace, and those whose muscles could be bought for a price, to intimidate the pickets and to strike in a different manner.
It was clear that we could not put the fire out, and I ran. But the door was locked. And before my muscles could even fire, I felt myself pressed against the door. I screamed, "Back up! It's locked!" I've always been clumsy, always tripping and falling and running into the corners of doors and chairs and tables. I wanted to be a lady, to look as though I were gliding across the floor. She barely noticed, but only screeched a whimper before. "There's a fire, mi amica! Get out!" I couldn't see anything. I wondered why the sun had disappeared.
I am going to.
Somewhere I've never been, never known.
Never loved.
I came from revolution.
I am going to revolt.
I came from old musty churches. I am going to high glass windows. I came from grandmother. I am going to grandchildren.
I came from lace and treasure.
I am going to gold and riches. I came from cobblestone. I am going to pavement. I came from community. I am going to independence.
I came from hiding in the trees.
I am going to hiding in the forest of thistles. I came from newspapers and had more tradition. I am going to the glitter of new hopes, carved out of time and work.
Jenny Stern,
Carmen Townend, Letty Rosenthal,
Kate Leone.
Rosa Manofsky,
Rosie Lerma,
Catherine Maltese, Lucy Maltese,
Sarah Maltese.
Janine Levin,
Abraham Benedict,
Carrie Oswald, Annie Pack,
Yet Goldstein.
Serafina Saracino,
Tessie Saracino,
Nicolina Nicolos, Julia Oberstein,
Ida Pearl.
Rosie Shapiro,
Lucy Rosenfeld,
Rosie Gross, Pauline Levine,
Maria Manara.
Maya Tal,
Berta
Becky
Mandren,
Navarro,
Annie Starr,
Rosa Orange.
Rebecca Feige,
Daisy Lopez Fitz,
Tina Fromm, Vincenzo Beluga,
Sarah Brodsky.
A cloud of smoke hung over the building. I looked up and saw that there were scores of girls at the windows. The flames from the floor below were beating in their faces. The first 10 thud deaths shocked me.
There was plenty of time to watch as they came down. The height was 80 feet. Somehow I knew that they all must come down, and something within me, something that I didn't know was there, steeled me. And as I looked up, I saw a love affair in the midst of all the horror. A young man helped a girl to the windowsill. Then he held her out, deliberately away from the building, and let her drop. He held out a second girl, the same way, and let her drop. Then he held out a third girl. He seemed cool and calculated. Then came the love amid the flames. He pulled another girl to the windowsill. I saw her put her arms about him and kiss him. Then he held her out into space and dropped her. But quick as a flash, he was on the sill himself. His coat fluttered upward. The air filled his trouser legs. Together, they went into eternity.
Well, the fire is over. The girls are dead. And as I write, the procession for the unidentified Ted moves past my window. Now, what is going to be done about it? As we go marching, marching, unnumbered women dead. Harrison Blank, the Triangle Company, have offered the family of the dead girls 1 week's worth of wages, as if it were summer and they were going on vacation. Go crying through our singing, their ancient call for bread. 3 days after the fire, Triangle Company posted a notice in the trade papers. Yes, of course, it's bread we fight for, but we fight for roses too. Bread and roses, bread and roses. After the company was installed in its new headquarters, the building department of New York City found that 911 University Place wasn't even fireproof, and that the only exit to the one fire escape was blocked by 2 rows of sewing machines. Still, as I write, the morning procession moves by in the rain. The people hear us singing, bread and roses, bread and roses. There have been no imposing marshals on horseback, just thousands and thousands of working men and women carrying the banners of their trades. The rising of the women is the rising of the race. No more the drudge and idler tend that toil while one reposes. I've never seen a military pageant or a triumphant procession so impressive. For it is not that 146 workers were killed at the Triangle shop. It's because over 50,000 working men and women are killed each year. Because slowly, very slowly, it is dawning on these thousands and thousands that such things do not have to be, but a sharing of life's glories. Bread and roses, bread and roses.